Welcome to learn how to attach additional EEG electrodes to C-Trend EEG monitoring. The standard C-Trend EEG electrode enables fast access to 6 channels of continuous EEG. By adding 4 individual electrodes to the standard setup, you get visibility to the EEG in the central and occipital areas. You should know 4 important points that are relevant for the measuring: nation, inion, and preauricular points in the left and right. To get started, you need standard cup electrodes. Then, you need a flexible tape measure and a skin marker. C5 is located 20% up from left preauricular point towards vertex, which is at the top of the head. C6 is the corresponding location of the right side. To locate O1, measure the total circumference of the head, passing through the preauricular points and the inion and returning to the nation. From the inion landmark at the base of the skull, move 10% of the total circumference up toward the vertex to establish the OZ midline position. Then measure 5% of the total circumference to the left to mark O1. O2 is the corresponding location on the right side. To place the electrodes, you need cotton swab, compress for fixation, abrasive EEG gel, electrode cream, and electrode paste. Proceed to the preparation of the skin by applying the EEG abrasive gel using a cotton swab. Once you have prepped the patient's skin at location C5, it is time to attach the cup electrode. Do it by filling the cup with paste and place it to the skin. Press gently for a few seconds to ensure a good connection. Apply the electrode cream onto a gauze and secure the electrode by pressing firmly. Make sure that the cables are pointed upwards. Repeat the steps to attach C6, O1, and O2. Connect the additional electrodes to the cable connector sockets. C5 goes to socket 1, C6 to socket 2, O1 to socket 3, and O2 to socket 4. See the wizard on monitor display to remember the right order. Monitoring can now continue up to 24 hours. After that, the electrodes should be replaced for patient safety and comfort.